Listen to Arum Board Game, a short story by Oxford Reading University, Level A2. On a rainy afternoon, Maya, Liam, and Zoe sat in Maya's attic. The rain tapped on the roof, and the wind howled outside. They were bored and looking for something fun to do. "Let's see what's in that old chest," Maya said, pointing to a large wooden box in the corner. Liam and Zoe helped her open it. Inside, they found books, toys, and an old board game. The game's box was dark green with gold letters that read, Arum. "Cool," Liam said, pulling it out. "Let's play this." Zoe frowned. "It looks old. What if pieces are missing?" But Maya was already opening the box. Inside there was a colorful board with strange symbols, a stack of cards, and a pair of dice. "Look at this," Maya said, holding up a card. It read, "Dare to play? Only the brave will escape." Zoe hesitated. "Sounds creepy." "Come on, Zoe," Liam said with a grin. "It's just a game." The three friends sat in a circle and set up the board. The rules were simple. Roll the dice, move your piece, and draw a card. Each card had a challenge. Maya went first. She rolled a 5 and moved her piece. Then she picked a card. It said, "Enter the jungle. Watch out for the vines." Suddenly, the attic filled with the sound of rustling leaves. The room changed. Thick vines grew from the walls, and tall trees appeared. "Where are we?" Zoe whispered, her eyes wide. "We're in the game," Liam shouted. Before they could understand what was happening, a giant vine shot out and wrapped around Liam's leg. "Help!" he yelled. Maya grabbed a nearby stick and hit the vine until it let go. "We have to finish the game to get out," she said, remembering the card's warning. Zoe nodded, her face pale. "Then let's keep playing." It was Liam's turn. He rolled the dice, moved his piece, and picked a card. It read, "Cross the river. Beware of what lurks below." The jungle shifted, and they found themselves by a wide river. The water was dark, and strange ripples moved across the surface. "How do we cross?" Liam asked. "There's a raft." Maya pointed. They climbed onto the wooden raft and started paddling. Halfway across, the water began to bubble. A giant snake rose from the river, its yellow eyes glowing. "Paddle faster!" Zoe screamed. The friends worked together, paddling with all their strength. The snake lunged, but they reached the other side just in time. "That was close," Liam said, breathing hard. Now it was Zoe's turn. She rolled the dice, moved her piece, and picked a card. It said, "Find the key to the treasure, but beware of the guardian." The jungle changed again. They were in a dark cave with glittering walls. In the center of the cave was a chest, but in front of it stood a giant lion made of stone. Its eyes glowed red. "Where's the key?" Maya whispered. "Look around," Liam said. They searched the cave, careful not to wake the lion. Zoe found the key hidden behind a rock. "I got it," she whispered. As she crept toward the chest, the lion's eyes flashed. It roared and began to move. "Zoe, hurry!" Maya shouted. Zoe ran to the chest and unlocked it. Inside was a golden piece with the word "Escape" written on it. She grabbed it, and the jungle began to fade. The friends found themselves back in the attic. The game board lay in front of them, glowing softly. "Is it over?" Liam asked, looking around. Maya picked up the golden piece. "I think so. We finished the game." Zoe let out a deep breath. "That was the scariest thing I've ever done." "But also amazing," Liam said with a grin. "We worked together and won." Maya nodded, placing the piece back in the box. "Let's keep this game safe. Maybe one day we'll play it again." The three friends smiled at each other. They had faced their fears, helped one another, and finished the adventure. And even though the attic was quiet again, They knew they'd never forget the magic of Arum. Did you like this story? Don't forget to subscribe for more English audiobooks like this. And now, let's listen to another story.